Here's how to reset AirPods so that they can't be tracked. Now, if you just got new AirPods, you can see I have my AirPods Pro, but this works the exact same on AirPods as well. You can see they're tied in with my iPhone. Now, if you just bought AirPods and they forgot to factory reset them, or you're getting ready to sell these, and when you do, you want to make sure they can't be tracked after you sell them, I'm going to show you how to factory reset them. So again, you can see it's tied to my iPhone. What we're going to do is make sure both of the AirPods are in the case, close the lid, and wait for about 30 seconds. So after about 30 seconds, what we're going to do is flip the case over, and you can see the silver hinge, and right under it is a little white button. You're going to use that button to factory reset it, and you need to follow these specific steps. So let me flip it back over. What you need to do is open up the case. It needs to be open for this to work. And then I'm going to press and hold on that button on the back. You'll be able to see it starts to blink white. So that's a good sign. We're walking through the process of factory resetting, but we need to hold it until it switches over to amber. When it does switch over to amber, I'll show you what to do next. So hold it until it switches to amber and then it goes back to white. Then you can release your fingers, and after you've done that, let's wait a few seconds and then close the lid. And now let's open the lid back up again. Keep in mind, it does take a few seconds for this to work. And after I've opened the lid back up again, you'll be able to see it says AirPods Pro. It no longer recognizes that these are Trevor's AirPods Pro. And you've officially removed the tracking and done a factory reset. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.